मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। यह सब तुम्हारी ही बदमाशी है। It's all your mischiefs. It's all your mischiefs. आवेश में ना आओ। Don't get heated. Don't get heated. तुम महामूर्ख हो। You are a blockhead. You are a blockhead. Or you can say you are an idiot. You are foolish. तीनों sentences आप बोल सकते हो। You are a blockhead. You are an idiot. You are foolish. तुमने मेरी नाक में दम कर रखा है। You have exasperated me. You have exasperated me. उसे शांत करने की कोशिश करो। Try to pacify him. Try to pacify him. मुझे क्रोध मत दिलाओ। Don't enrage me. Don't enrage me. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I need nothing. I need nothing. Or you can say I don't need anything. I don't need anything. मैं तुम्हें इजाज़त नहीं दे सकता। I cannot permit you. I cannot permit you. मैं इतना खर्चा नहीं उठा सकता। I cannot bear such anxieties. I cannot bear such anxieties. मैं इनकार करता हूँ। I refuse it. I refuse it. Or I deny it. I deny it. Another sentence you can say I do not accept it. I do not accept it. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं जा सकता। I cannot go with you. I cannot go with you. तुम एक झगड़ालू इंसान हो। You are a quarrelsome person. You are a quarrelsome person. बात करते करते वे घूंसेबाजी पर उतर आए। While talking, they come to blows. While talking, they come to blows. तू तड़ाक की भाषा से बाज आओ। Stop using abusive language. Stop using abusive language. तुम इससे बचकर नहीं जा सकते। You can't get away like this. You can't get away like this. इसका दोष तुम ही पर है। You are responsible for this. You are responsible for this. आप होश में तो हो? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? अब किसी प्रकार बात को निपटाओ। Now settle the matter somehow. Now settle the matter somehow. मेरी आँखों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. और एक सिंपल सन get lost. तुम बड़े चिड़चिड़े स्वभाव के हो। You are very short-tempered. You are very short-tempered. मैं तुमसे तंग आ गया हूँ। I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. तुम्हें अपनी आदतों को सुधारना होगा। You will have to mend your ways. You will have to mend your ways. तुम रोज़ाना देर से क्यों आते हो? Why do you come late every day? Why do you come late every day? तुमने मेरे विश्वास को ठेस पहुंचाई है. You have betrayed me. You have betrayed me. Or you can say you have betrayed my confidence. You have betrayed my trust. तीनों चीज़ों बोल सकते हो आप. You have betrayed me. You have betrayed my confidence. You have betrayed my trust. मैं तुम्हें कभी माफ़ नहीं कर सकती. I can never forgive you और I can never pardon you. दोनों बोल सकते हो आप. तुम्हें इसकी सज़ा भुगतनी पड़ेगी. You will have to suffer for this. You will have to suffer for this. Say you will have to hear its consequences. You will have to hear its consequences. तुम्हें इसकी सज़ा भुगतनी पड़ेगी. You will have to hear its consequences. इसके लिए ईश्वर तुम्हें सज़ा देगा. God will punish you for this. God will punish you for this. क्या मैं आपसे कल फिर मिलूं? Shall I meet you again tomorrow? Shall I meet you again tomorrow? क्या अब थोड़ा आराम कर सकते हैं? Can we take some rest now? Can we take some rest now? आप व्यर्थ ही नाराज हो रहे हैं. You are unnecessarily getting angry. You are unnecessarily getting angry. क्या मैं 2 मिनट आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ? Can I talk to you for 2 minutes? Can I talk to you for 2 minutes? मैं तुम्हारी कोई मदद नहीं कर सकता. I cannot help you in any way. I cannot help you in any way. मैंने तुम्हारा कोई नुकसान नहीं किया है. I have not harmed you in any way. I have not harmed you in any way.